Morning on day 37. Oh, finally. $157? Okay. Earlier, I was wondering how many eggs I probably had on this Camino. Yesterday was a record, though. I had 5 eggs yesterday, 1 on the trail and 4 at dinner, because we both ordered ham and eggs, and she didn't eat hardly anything, so I ate her eggs. Here's a trivia question. What's this movie line from? Louis, you cannot chime in on this. Okay, here it comes. Well, I can eat 50 eggs. Hey! Alto de San Roque, altitude 1270. This may be the highest point on the Camino. I'm not sure. Can't really see his detail. Do like his sure. I do like his sandals though. Oh well, it keeps going on. Take a video. That's a cool statue. Okay. On we go. This is a really steep hill even for the bikes. I had to get off the bikes. This is the hill we just climbed, and there was the cow I was just filming down there. That's quite a brutal hill. Came out there.
I think dab some eggs.
That's huge.
Egg, potato, and cheese.
We stopped here, and we had a huge tortilla, so big that neither one of us could finish it. So I put all my tortilla in a bag, and I'm gonna have it for lunch. We're hitting the trail again. This was a nice rest stop. Also had some orange juice. Nice stop for pilgrims. Let's see what she's got. Trails washed away here. So, you guys seen that movie called The Way with Emilio Estevez, who made the movie and produced it, and starred his father, Martin Sheen. Well, Martin Sheen's real surname is Estevez, and he's from the Galicia area of Spain, his ancestors. So, go see the movie if you haven't. I just stepped in a little cow poop, and for those of you wondering, it's in between my big toe and pointer toe on the right side, and it feels a little bit like cold chocolate pudding. We'll get there plenty early, and maybe we'll have a cerveza. Can't wait. It was a nice walk today. A cool breeze, very warm, just perfect weather. So tomorrow is day 38. It's supposed to be my longest day. 28 kilometers. And I chose this way because it goes through a famous monastery in Samos and a forest. But I'm kind of undecided. She is definitely not going on the same trail. She's taking the shorter one. She's been saying it for 5 weeks now, that she's not going 28 kilometers in one day. So what I may do is flip a coin, because I'm really undecided. If I did take the long route, it would be a very long day, and if something happened, I would be on my own, which is fine, but there's a safety, there's a risk factor there. I might just flip a coin and let the universe decide. One's 21 kilometers and the other one's 28. know. I'll let you know. Here's our town. There is one albergue in this one horse town, 142 kilometers from Santiago. And we have a bed here. And tomorrow we leave from right there. There's the trail. Sweet. Here, woohoo! Well, hello, my friend.
Hello, don't hurt yourself.
If there's something to trip on, I'm gonna find it.
So there's
Damn.
also more shade sitting out back, but you're welcome to join us.
Oh no, thank you, thank you. Yeah, that's our albergue.
Oh, that's where you're staying tonight.
We're gonna stay there tonight.
Cool. Excellent.
Okay. Well, Francine and I seem to have gotten some double room or something. I don't remember getting like this private room, but let me get my bag. Sì, grazie.
I thought she won.
It looks like we just scored because I don't see any other bunk beds in this side of the albergue. And look at this. Francine and I got this really cool room and put our shoes here. Look how dusty my shoes are. Holy smokes. Looks like we have our own bathroom.
Yeah, the other one has a bed over there.
Oh my god, no, esto no. It's not so easy.
Oh my God. So I just flipped a coin and the universe said, take the short way. It was best 2 out of 3 and the short way won. And so that's the route I'm taking tomorrow with Francine from Quebec.
From Quebec.